students, I hope you are fine and safe at home. Now, today we are going to start our computer subject 8th lesson, that is how a computer works. Children, already you are learned in previous class how to use computer and which types of uses computer. So, in this lesson we are going to study about how a computer works. First topic is data and information. Suppose students, if your class teacher collects your name, address and telephone numbers, he has a lot of information. This information is called data. Your report card will have information about how you did in the exams. This is also example of data. A telephone book has data about people. Students, data of information can be stored in a computer. The computer keeps the data safe. The computer gives the information whenever we want it. We can also use a computer to work on data and give information. We can tell the computer to add, subtract, multiply or divide numbers. We can tell the computer to write words, correct spellings and do more many things. We can use a computer to copy a pictures or to cut out its sides. We can also change the color in a pictures. Okay, next topic is input, processing and output. Students, first is input. The computer is used to input the design. Computer works with data. The data that we feed in a computer is called input. Input is what we start with. Suppose students, for example, to make lemon, we put lemon juice and sugar in water. With the computers, we input data in the form of numbers, words or pictures. Okay. Next is processing. A computer also does processing. It processes the data we input. In simple words, processing means working on. What a working on. Okay. For example, in summer, you want ice cubes. You put water into an ice tray. You put the ice tray into the freezer. After a few hours, you get ice cubes. What the freeze does to the water is called processing. Processing changes the water into ice cube. Understood? A computer also does processing. Okay. Next is output. Students, output from a computer is the answer. It can be words, numbers or picture. For example, you got ice cubes after the fridge finished the processing, that is cooling. In the same way, when a computer finish processing, we get the output. Output from a computer is the answer. Be careful to input correct data. The computer will accept whatever you put in. Okay, students. I hope that you have understood what I taught you today. Now let us see a video to get more information.
Learning about the working system of computers, the input process, output cycle. You already know that the computer has many parts. Do you remember them? Look at the picture below and tell the different part of the computer. What is the name of this part? Yes, this is monitor. What is the name of this part? Exactly, this is CPU. Now what is the name of this part? Yes, it is keyboard. What is the name of this part? Hey, yes, this is mouse. Okay, now tell me, how does a computer work? There are 3 steps: the input, process, output cycle. One simple example explain you input, process and output cycle. When your mother prepare a glass of banana shake for you, how does she go about it? Step number 1. Input. First, she puts the peeled bananas, milk and sugar into the blender. This is input. Step number 2. Process. Next step, she switches on the blender. The blades of the blender rotate and mix the banana, sugar and milk thoroughly. This is the process. Now step number 3, output. Finally, a delicious banana shake comes out of the blender and ready for drinking. This is the output. In the same way, to do any work in a computer, you have to follow these 3 simple steps: input, process, output. This is known as the IPO cycle. I for input, P for process and O for output. Input. The input consists of data and the instructions we put into the computer. Process. The computer then works on the data by using the instructions. Output. The result we get after processing is called output. Inputs are also called data. The computer needs these data to help us in doing what we want to do. The instructions already given to a computer are called programs. The computer uses these programs to process the work.
Students, did you understood the video about input, process and output? So, now let us summarize the topic. Data is the information we have about something. A computer works on data. The data we feed in the computer to work on is called input. The work that a computer does to the data entered is called processing. The result a computer produces after processing input data is called output. So, with this our chapter is completed and you studied about works of computer. So, please read this lesson from your book carefully. Students, I have sent exercise with you need to open by clicking on the blue link of exercise and write in your notebook. Children, you also need to solve the MCQ test. Bye all of you. Stay safe at home. Thank you.